2 points with his first shot this game.
Wow, the strength of Jimmy Butler fends off defenders well when he goes up to score.
Pass to Brown. Here's Gafford. It's blocked. Fast break Toronto. Here's Pascal. And he blocked it and deflects off the backboard. Brown wide open. He fires. Buries it from three-point range.
And that's just tremendous confidence from Brown. Going up with the shot right away and giving the D no time to react.
Now, here's Oubre. Got a piece of it. And that's out of bounds. Toronto will retain possession. Let's take another look at the staunch defense during that mobile one block.
And it's a different kind of defense teams play in the postseason. More in-your-face, physical, high-energy plays like that one.
Here in the first, a little over a minute played so far. Here's Russell. And now, brought to you by Gatorade, all fueled up and ready to go. Let's reset our lineups. So for Toronto right now, Kelly Oubre out there in the media. Then there's Markieff Morris. And there's D'Angelo Russell. And it's McConnell in at the one spot. Now here's Jones. After D'Angelo Russell's miss, there's Ball with the three. But they recover it. Out to the wing. Shot clock at 6. Fires the three. And it's Toronto with the rebound. They're feeling confident after Tuesday's big win.
And really just ran away with that one. Just a convincing, dominating performance in every facet.
Now, here is Russell. That shot off the mark. Good D by Siakam. Here's Jones. That one drops for him. And the ball travels out of bounds. It was last touched by Cancer.
And that's just carelessness there. I mean, you have got to have your head in the game.
Siakam against Pascal. Here's Gafford. And the call on the shot that sends him to the line. He's made one and missed one so far in the game. The first one falls. And so he's able to get one of two.
Well, in the rebounding game, at least, it's been a strong physical performance for him.
And Vancouver, who they've got? They've got Siakam. All out there with Jaylen Brown. Then it's Okoro. And it's Gafford in at the center, locking down the middle. Now, here is Russell. Shot clock at 5. And that one drops for him.
The gentle touch. It's Russell really improving as a finisher.
It's Brown on the way. Covered by Oubre. Brown, good. Brown's got 23.
Terrific play call to give him a clean look at the rim. That's how you want to start the second half.
Listen, put the ball in the hands of your best scorers and let them go to work. Keep it simple.
And he didn't punish them for the weak coverage there, but they can count on him to continue missing.
From close range, and Siakam with the basket on the assist by Ball. And Siakam has got the ball here for Vancouver. Markieff Morris is out there with Ennis Cancer. And there's D'Angelo Russell. And there's Jimmy Butler. And it's Aminu in at the 3. So that's the 5 in the game for Toronto.
Oh, great concentration from Siakam. Takes the hit, yet his eyes never leave the rim.
Russell high post. Siakam's there. Russell inside. Vancouver leading by 9. Here's Monk. And then Monk with the dunk.
And how about Monk there? You better get in front of him when he's in attack mode. If you allow him to get to that launching pad, it is too little, too late.
Pass to Butler. Back to Russell. The shot's good on the assist by Butler.